Hey guys, it's MonkeyHappy, and he's fixing to show you guys just how sweet he is. Luke and Ollie have come over to visit. They might share some bugs, but I think Happy wants to go see Luke. He really does.
Happy, hi, bro. How's you?
Oh.
Hi. How you doing? It's been a while. Yeah. How are you doing, bro? Oh yeah, you got some nice stuff here. You want to share some bugs? Oh, there. Oh, tell me all about it. Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Happy, is that your friend?
It's all right, Happy boy. Yeah, it's okay. There. Yeah? Tell me your tongue. Oh, what's the matter, Brownie Roo? Yeah. Well, you're just a snuggle bug today.
All right, Ollie, you see him there? You can go look, Happy. Check it out. Check it out.
Oh, you can crawl in this one. Look, let me open it up. Look, here.
Ollie versus the Beatles in the cage.
Happy, you're here. Show him how to do it, Happy.
What's in there, Ollie?
Happy gets in it all the way.
Oh,
okay,
yeah.
get you one to come out. Listen. Oh, you're gonna get one. Get one of those. Look. I just don't want him to get out. Ollie. Go ahead.
Happy munching it.
What'd you think about that, bro?
Did you get it?
Of course, all on my neck. They always drop like body parts into my clothes.
Oh, Ollie got one. Oh, look, show him your cricket.
A good old.
I was like, this is a private cricket munch. Oh, there's like three. Oh, you're there. One of them got on him and freaked him out.
Get it, Happy, hurry.
Good job.
So you guys can see, Luke is one of Happy's favorite people. That's a good thing, so if I need a babysitter sometime.
Too easy. Oh, Happy. Yeah, you liking that?
Alright.
You keep putting it in your mouth and then spitting it out. Here.
He's holding it up like, oh, come here.
I think the leg's weird Happy out.
Oh, hot bro. More loving.
Get it.
Ollie's
So you guys see with Ollie, same thing with Happy. I have a leash on Happy right now. Both of these guys are insanely deep in their terrible twos right now.
Oh, yeah.
So it's really hard to keep them still, which I don't think Happy would need much of a leash right now, but he's also staying right on Luke.
Oh, thank you.
Look, Happy
Oh,
gives
you love
kisses.
me. Oh, right in the eyeball.
That was sweet,
Oh, and a
Happy.
hug too.
You're a good boy.
You're so nice, dude. You're a nice guy. You know, all they don't eat munching on crickets.
So if you guys aren't, make sure you go check out Ollie's channel also. The coolest squirrel monkey in the world.
Come here, bro.
Hands down. Right, Ollie?
contemplating surgery on a cricket.
There you go, Happy boy. What's that, huh? Oh, thank you.
So, talk to Luke and say thank you for coming to visit me.
Oh, you're welcome.
He's gonna leave a hickey on your neck.
I know it.
Hey, Netflix and chill first, bro. Ow. Oh, Happy, you're silly. You're a silly monk.
Say thank you for coming over to see me, Luke.
You're welcome. Oh, thank you.
Happy, you gonna try and give everybody a kiss?
Come on.
He wants to play.
Tell them about it. Say thank you for coming over. Let's go play, Ollie.